Recently, I saw this video where this guy made a store on Teespring and he was selling these trendy Area 51 t-shirts online using Instagram shoutouts from meme pages. Now you see, I definitely don't have the word entrepreneur written in my bio or anything, and I clearly already missed the Area 51 raid, but what I do know is how to search Google Trends, so I decided to do the same thing, but with the current global pandemic. So something you should know about me is that I love these financial experiments, and this is for educational purposes only, as I am in no way encouraging people to profit off this pandemic. So I decided to see if I can sell my own trendy coronavirus-themed t-shirts online, and what happened next was, well, you're gonna have to see for yourself. Everything in these videos is gonna be raw and uncut. There's nothing that we're gonna do to manipulate the results or change anything. I am here in 2020 to prove there are people out there willing to test these gurus and show you guys exactly what they don't want you to know. They wanna see the real side of things. I'm gonna keep making these videos on our way to our first 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna head in to Krispy Kreme, probably help us be a better business person. Okay, first things first, we needed to look the part, so I ordered an entrepreneur t-shirt from Copycat Kevin. Don't worry, more on him in another video. Once my shirt came in, I realized I was still the same lazy slob, but with a different t-shirt on, and I decided it was time to grind. Next up, of course, we all know it's not about what you know, but rather who you know. So I worked tirelessly to assemble the best team I could find on such short notice. All right, this is the ideas that we need, okay? So as you can see, I'm working with a bunch of amateurs here. Okay, so despite my lack of knowledge in this area, I was ready to attempt to make this work. The next few hours were just me finding designs on Google Images that looked like they would sell and then struggling to remake those same designs for my new shirt. And then my store was live. I paid for 2 Instagram shoutouts and my new store was now ready to be promoted to over 125,000 followers in total. Hopefully, we can sprinkle a little entrepreneur on that bio. Now, just as a nice treat for you guys, I put together a short skit, which I think is gonna give you a better idea of what happened. Enjoy the following. Wow, that worked out well. This video is not to tell you that it's not possible. I'm just here to show you the other side of things. The YouTubers on internets want to show you things that look easy and therefore make money, telling you you're gonna get rich doing it. That's bullshit. You can't just swipe a fucking logo on something and say, hey, I got a product, everyone's gonna buy it now. Oh wow, what island am I gonna buy? I'm gonna make so much money. As far as I'm concerned, my only mission is to show you guys in an entertaining fashion what exactly happens when normal people attempt to do these things and kind of let it play through so you can get a good idea of that for yourself and maybe save yourself hours of misery and don't just jump on something because you think it's gonna make you rich, but actually find something you're passionate about that you wanna do long term. Now, I know that's not what these gurus want you to know. I'm not a business guy. I didn't make $1 million drop shipping at age 18 and have a story on YouTube. None of that shit happened to me, okay? I'm a guy who tried several things and I failed, and I put this channel together specifically so you guys see that, relate to that, and hopefully we can get this message out to more people. I love CoffeeZilla, I love Spencer Cornelia, I love Trend Black. Anybody who is exposing scammers, these courses, anything like that, if you guys are out there, drop a follow, drop a subscribe. All my content moving forward is gonna be experimental based, where I can make you guys happy and give you guys maybe a little chuckle at the end of the day, you know? Maybe you'll buy my course for $9.97 and you'll make me more money. Maybe the anti-guru decides to turn into the guru. You never know. In all honesty, guys, this video, there was seriousness to it. I actually spent all this time putting together the video, reaching out to people. But the point is that the video I modeled off of, which is Biaheza's video, nothing against the man does a 10-minute video where he doesn't talk about setting up the site or anything. All he does is say, I designed one simple design and I advertised to one meme page and I spent like $16 or $20. That's it. He doesn't say, oh, you know, I did this because of the, it's just like basic. Now, people watch that video, I think it's like 500,000 people, and they think, oh, I can do the same thing. I'm here to show you just a guy who wanted to do the same thing, and this is kind of probably what your story is gonna look like, okay? And if it's not, tag your video below, prove me wrong. I would love to see something that's unedited, raw, and real for what something would happen to somebody who doesn't have millions of dollars in dropshipping experience and knows exactly what they're doing. I'm here to give you guys the real world, the other side of YouTube that's not the look how fancy and amazing I am. I'm gonna entertain you guys and show you what it's really like out there. So please subscribe to my channel. Everybody who subscribe get $100. Woo! You get 100, you get 100, you get a Shopify course, you get a Shopify course, you get a Shopify course. I hope you guys were mildly entertained. I don't want you to leave, you know, dry heaving and choking because you're laughing so hard. I just want you to kind of leave and say, that was all right. So if you guys felt like that's, maybe subscribe, maybe like the video. If not, dislike the video. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. So have fun. I will catch you guys in the next episode, and I am excited to try something special next time with you guys.
Hey, oh, I've been up for like 2 hours. 2 hours. Yo, bitch came through, took a few showers. I don't buy my just money dance, yeah. That wristwatch costs 100 grand. I don't know what you talking about. If you ain't out here, don't talk about me. Only person in the city.